What up, YouTube? This is P, the plumber. Actually, a plumber helper. Just got a job at Allegiant Plumbing in Columbus, Ohio, as a plumber helper. Just want to upload a video of what I learned today. A couple things I do on the job. Today I got the run water using Openor PEX. This is my trainer, Brandon. He goes by Philly. He looks like Ed Norton. And he's just showing me the process of running water. Now, just gonna keep it short and simple. I'm not too educated in this field yet, but I will be posting videos later on the fittings, Openor, what exactly that is, and what we do on the job just to track my progress on my journey to becoming a plumber in Columbus, Ohio. I'm gonna keep it short and get straight to the point, so here we go.
These are the kitchen water lines. You want to stub them out pretty close to the drain. You don't want to be way below or way high. So we're going to use these hole rights. Snap them in. This one we're going to go just below the kitchen. So they snap into place. It's actually going to go down a little bit lower. Right there. Use this one. Stub it out the same. These are your cutters.
Pretty soon you're gonna have to get your own.
You want to stub them out about the same as the drain.
Okay.
Maybe just a little bit longer because they have to get cap on them. This actually going down a little bit further too.
You run them about even?
Yeah. Yep. And then we'll use this bracket. You're gonna hold the bracket up to the wall. So you want these pretty close to the drain, about like that. So then we're gonna use this bracket. When you use the hold rights, they get snapped into the big holes. But if you do just the line, like instead of using these, we can put a 90 on it like that.
Okay.
And then the actual line will go through the small holes to hold it. So you can do either or. Because you won't always be able to use these. Like if these lines are only stubbed up to here, this won't work. So then you'll just slap a 90 on it. Put this piece right back on that 90 and go like that. And you can do one side bracket, one side 90, it doesn't matter. You can do however you need to do it. So this one is going to be easiest if we put this one in here and this one in here. You never want to put them next to each other.
Okay, so at least two apart?
Yeah, you want at least one of whatever you're doing between
At least every other one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just because when they're in the cabinet, we'll put what's called discussions on, the little white covers.
I know what those are.
Yeah. That way you don't want them touching and hitting. You want it to look nice. So right here, we'll go here and here. And then they snap in. Like so. And then you'll take the screws. 2 on each side. Looks like the blue one should have gone down a little bit more. Let's see how easy this will be. So just a little bit through. Cut them to the same length. And then in each unit should be a bag of rings. You're gonna crack that open. Hand me that grease tube also.
This too?
Yep. Every morning before you use this, you want to grease the tool up. So you'll take the head off. This grease kind of separates in here, so you just want to kind of play with it for a second. get it all mixed back together. Then you put just the dot on there. This grease tube will last as long as this tool will last probably. Just the dot and then take your finger and just spread it all over. If not, you'll notice, like, if you use this thing like a whole day, by the end of the day, it may start, you'll hear it kind of sticking, and then you'll want to go ahead and grease it again. And this is where you'll put the caps on.
Okay.
You probably don't need to grab another battery too. This is that same one that almost died the other day. Oh, come on, one more. That's it. Alright. And then on the finished kitchen, we'll open up the cabinets. We'll have that right there. We get 2 stops. Cut that, grab it. Hello? Yeah, what's up?